away, take it away, feeling too good to me.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. And as you can see, I am definitely feeling this unit, y'all. This wig is so pretty. This wig is 180% density. It is a 4x4 closure wig unit. The color of this wig is, it says a number 4 in 27 mix, but y'all, this color is definitely giving me some type of life right now because it's pretty as hell. Okay, I think this wig is in the inch 16 if I'm not mistaken, but everything about this hair will be in the description box below. This wig is still wet. Well, it's still damp a little, so I am going to show you guys like a video of it when it's like completely dry, but right now it's still looking very pretty. The wig did come pre-plucked and bleached, so that's like 100 in my book, okay, because
I just don't have the time to do all of that.
So yeah, I was very happy about that. So yeah, you guys, I am definitely feeling this wig, and I think you should buy this wig, girl, because
I'm telling you, this wig is giving me life, okay?
Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because look at this. This wig is so freaking pretty. I am definitely, I would give this wig 1,000, okay? Because I'm definitely feeling this wig, okay? So yeah, with that being said, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
What the closure looks like. It was already pre-plucked and bleached, so I love that about that, so I don't have to do any of that. That is perfect for me because I hate bleaching knots. I hate plucking wigs. I just want a wig that I can glue on and just go, okay? But yeah, that looks really good. It already looks like it's coming out of my scalp already, so yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Me, something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
These curls are really nice. Really nice. Like, this is actually cute, for real. I probably won't wear it like this, but it don't look bad. Well, yeah, up here, but I'm just saying, the curls itself. So we're gonna fluff these out and we're gonna go ahead and spray some water and conditioner on it so we can get the best curls.
For days, I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk.
So I did mix some Cantu, this right here, with some water, and I'm gonna shake it up just for the mixture. This is what it should look like, and we're just gonna spray it on the hair just for the moisturizer and the condition or whatever, so the curls can be like really giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so I had to get a towel because I didn't want it to mess up Black Women Matter shirt. Okay, I got this shirt from God Is Dope, if you guys are wondering.
I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our own core. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our own core. Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night.